So it's been 2 weeks since I made my first video about my red flowering quince, and you can see a difference. The flower is in full bloom, so it's much prettier now. Sorry about the background noise. It's quite unavoidable here in my house. But we had 2 days of full sun recently, and the tree's just loving it. This quince is very easy to maintain. I keep it outdoors. It's cold hardy, and I never knew I like red flowers. Usually I go for pink colors or white, but oddly I really like red quince. I don't like red roses. It must be the thorns. There's no thorns on these, thank goodness. Well, I hope you enjoyed my quick video about my quince tree, and have an awesome day.